Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you an easy way to evaluate the quality of machine translation using Amazon Party Rock. On the right side of the screen, you can see the original text on the top of the page and translation A from Microsoft Translator and translation B from Google Translate. And both of them are copied from the web browser extension, Microsoft Edge, and Google Chrome. So at the bottom of the page, you can find a detailed comparison of the evaluation of these two machine translated content. You can see translation A, Party Rock app give it a 6 out of 10. The reasons are capture all the overall enthusiasm, positive tone of the original text, accurately translate most of the key information. Some literal translation doesn't make sense, a few mistranslation and awkward phrasing. And it also gives you examples of why it gave this score. And translation B, AI gave it a 9 out of 10. The reasons are accurately convey the meaning and tone of the original text, use natural Chinese expression and vocabulary. So this is a quite insightful. If you don't speak Chinese, it gives you an overall understanding of the machine translation quality from these two web browser extension. So how to auto translate in your web browser? Let's begin with Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge include a built-in translation feature powered by Microsoft Translator. When you visit a web page like this, Edge typically detects it automatically. And if it doesn't, simply right-click your mouse on the page and select Translate to a language. In this case, I want to translate to Chinese. And boom. Just like that, the page will be translated into your preferred language. And if you prefer another language, just go to the address bar and click this language button and choose your target language. For example, Japanese, and translate. And then you can switch your language like that. And if you want to turn it off, just go back to the translated page button and show original. And similarly in Google Chrome browser, I'm on the same page. And if you want to turn this page into another language, you just right click and say translate to Chinese. And then you can read it in Chinese. And if you prefer another language, there's also a button similar to Edge, and you can choose another language, and from the list you can choose another language. For example, we choose Korean, and then you can view the page in Korean. Now let's see how it looks on other website or web page. Like for example, this one, I just in Google Chrome and translate to. No, I don't want a Korean, and choose another language. I want to translate to Chinese. And similarly, I want to translate to this page to Chinese in using Microsoft Translator. So which translation is better? Is like Microsoft translation is better or Google Translate is better? Let me see what AI say in this case. Here I copy the translation from Microsoft Edge into translation A, and I copy the translation from Google Translate into translation B, and I turn that off, and I copy the original English text in original text section, and I click this button at the bottom to say run comparison, and now it's generating. Now AI give it an evaluation. We see for translation A, it gave a score 8 out of 10. And there are some areas for improvement. And for translation B, it gave a 9 out of 10. And here's are some detailed reasons. And a minor punctuation issue, like there's missing space between the English and Chinese character. Both translation are high quality. So from these two examples, for technical translation, both MT Engine from Google and Microsoft perform well, but Google Translate has a slight better performance than Microsoft. But for everyday casual language, I think Google Translate often provide more natural and contextually accurate translation in this example. In summary, we compare the machine translation tools built into web browser by Microsoft and Google. We utilize the Amazon Party Rock, an AI tool built on top of Cloud 3.5 to evaluate both machine translations. Which translation do you think is better? Let me know in the comments. You can find links to the related tools and my Party Rock app in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.